Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use phone as keyboard for your PC or laptop. Using your phone as a keyboard for your PC or laptop can be very convenient when your physical keyboard is not working or you prefer typing on your phone. It is also allows you to control your computer remotely in some cases. With the help of apps, you can easily connect your phone and start typing. To begin, choose a keyboard app. Install an app like Remote Mouse on your phone. Download the PC Server software by visiting the app's official website and download the desktop client for Windows. Install the software on your PC. Run the installer and follow setup instructions. Connect both devices to the same network. Go back on your mobile phone after installing. Ensure your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the mobile app, allow permissions, and launch the app on your phone. Grant necessary permissions on both devices. Connect your phone to your PC. Choose your PC from the list of available devices. Choose the keyboard feature. Navigate to the keyboard or input section within the app. Start typing on your phone. Use the phone's keyboard to input text on your PC. Use additional control. Try the mouse by clicking these buttons. Media by tapping this icon, etc. Adjust sensitivity settings. Click the three lines to go to settings. Here, customize the typing or control settings in the app. Disconnect when finished. Safely end the session from the app by closing it or disconnecting. And lastly, keep apps updated. Regular update both mobile and PC apps for best performance. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.